Hello children, today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is linear equation in two variables. Children, we are learned linear equation in one variable in the previous class, that is last year. Here we are going to learn about two variables. Now what is linear equation? The equation where the highest power of the variable is 1, we call it as linear equation. Now we are going to solve the first exercise, that is 10.1. The first question given is the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So here to represent the statement we are going to use two variables. So let us take x and y. So the cost of notebook will consider as x and cost of pen will consider as y. So the notebook cost is equal to 2 pens. Fine. So it has to be x is equal to 2y. Now in the next question we have to express the given linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now here x is the first variable and a is the numerical coefficient of that, y is the second variable and b is the numerical coefficient of that, and c is constant is equal to 0. So whatever equations are given we have to convert it into this form. So there should be 3 terms in each and we have to add, if the missing one term is there we have to add in that. Now the first example, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. So what we have to do, 9.35 we have to take it to the left hand side. So when you take it, it becomes minus 9.35 is equal to 0. So now x variable, x numerical coefficient is 2, y is plus 3 and minus 9.35 is a constant there. So what is A? A is 2, B is 3 and C is minus 9.35. The second one, x is equal to 3y. So here only two variables are given, that is x and 3y. So we have to take 3y to the left hand side, that becomes x minus 3y, and constant is not there, so add 0 to it, plus 0 is equal to 0. So what is A here? A is coefficient of x, so that is 1. Coefficient of y is minus 3, that is b, and c is 0. The next one is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here y is not there, so what you have to take? 0y to make the statement complete. So 3x plus 0y plus 2 is equal to 0. So a is 3, b is 0 and c is 2. Now the next term what we are going to learn, that is a solution for linear equation. Now we have learned that for a linear equation in one variable there is only one unique solution. But if there are two variables, there will be pair of numbers as a solution. So here in the next exercise we are going to find out different values for the different solutions for the different equation. Now the first question what is given here is which of the following statement following option is true and why? Y is equal to 3x plus y. 5 has a unique solution, only one solution, and infinitely many solution. So this is a linear equation and it has to be a unique solution. Fine. Let us go to the next one, that is write 4 solution for each of the following equation, and the equation given here is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Now let us find out y's value. So y's value will be 7 minus 2x. Now using taking x value, different values, we are going to find out y's value when x value is given. So let us consider x as 1. Put that x value in the equation, that is y is equal to 7 minus 2x, you will get y's value as 5. So the first pair of values is 1 and 5. Let us change x value to 0 and put the value in the equation, you will get y's value as 7. So the pair what we get is 0 and 7. Next try one more number, that is x is equal to minus 1. We will get value of y as 9 and the pair is minus 1 and 9. So we can try any number as x value and get a y's value as a solution. So there are some more questions in that. You can use this method and complete this. Now let us go to question number 3. That is, check which of the following are solution for equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. So there are different values, pair of values are given. We have to put it in the given equation and check. The equation given is x minus 2y is equal to 4. So different values we have to check with that. So let us check the first value, that is 0 and 2. So whatever value is the first, that is x value, the second value will be of y. So in the equation we put x value as 0 and y value as 2. So we'll get minus 4 is equal to 4. So if it is equal, we can put, say that it is yes. If it is no, then no. So there minus 4 and 4 are two different values we got. So this is not the solution for that given equation. Let's try with one more. The pair is given is 4 and 0. Let us take x as 4 and y as 0 and check in the equation. So we'll get solution as left hand side and right hand side is equal, that is 4 is to 4. So yes, this is the unique solution. This is the solution for that equation. Now let us go to the next question. That is the question, find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. The equation given is 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Now x value we have to replace with 2 and y as 1 and put those values in the equation. We'll get value of k as 7. Fine. So here we end with the second exercise. Let us go to the next exercise, children.